Hey guys, first off, I look like hell, or it's finals week, thus I look like hell. Anyway, Niall James freaking Horn announced today that he is releasing his new song March 4th, and it's gonna be called Slow Hands. Um, and am I the only dirty-minded person, or was it kind of like sounding dirty-minded? I don't know. I guess we'll see when the song comes out. So I am really excited. Gosh. And I guess I'll make a video when I listen to it. So, anyway, please pray for me. I'm literally gonna fail 2 of my classes probably.
Hey guys, this is Holly and I'm back again, and I've got a new video with Niall Horan's Slow Hands reaction, and I'm really excited because this is the new camera, but I'm really nervous because it's only got like 1% of battery left, and yeah, let's without further ado, get started. Let me see how, okay, cool, I think I look fine, because I just wanted to see how, oh wait, no, okay. Ready? Wait, no. Where's Slow Hands? Just blaming myself. Okay. Holy shit. How about just listen like this? Yeah, let's go to your place. Holy shit, this is Niall. Oh my god. Me too. Oh, I do. Oh my gosh, guys. Anyway, so my phone just died a little bit. Here I am. Yay. And there we go. Okie dokie, let's finish. Oh my gosh, guys. Slow hands though. Okay, I'm gonna close the door just because it's kind of a little loud. Let's do this. This is my baby! I like the fact that the music just stops super dramatically. Look at how cute he is. Oh. 찍고 싶다. Did it? 와야지 미치든 손이 얇지. You've not fasted before. Gee, how are you? That's... I love it. Holy shit. Guys, I can't believe this is Niall's song, first of all. Second of all, I'm seriously gonna sell my kidney or whatever it costs me to go and see him whenever he tours. Because he's my baby. I mean, do you just listen to that damn song? Holy shit. Yeah, we've come really far, guys. That's all I can say at this point, I guess. Holy shit. Wow. That was Niall James Horn. Okay, overall, I love the song, and I cannot wait for him to tour and reveal the rest of the songs. Yeah, you know it, like what song's gonna be on my repeat every day, every minute of the next year, basically. So let's wait for the rest of the songs, and I'm so sorry for doing such a late review or reaction, but I just really wanted to do it on this brand new awesome camera that's currently about to die. Anyway, but yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. Oh my gosh, guys, I just had a technical issue, so we'll be right back. Anyway, hey, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go cry.